Nothing says Christmas like the aromas of a freshly baked plum cake. Today we're making an egg-free, alcohol-free plum cake for everyone to enjoy. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from The Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our egg-free Christmas plum cake, first we need to soak our fruit. So for that, I've got water, orange juice. I'm bringing this to a boil. Next, I'm adding in my lime juice, Tutti Frutti, raisins, cranberries, some prunes, some dried apricots. I'm going to cook this until this mix is a little thick. In a bowl, I'm mixing my nuts. To this, I'm adding a little of my dried flour and just tossing it up. This needs to be folded into our cake batter. In another bowl, I'm going to mix in my flour, baking powder, baking soda, ginger powder, cinnamon powder and clove powder, and my orange zest. I'm just going to give this a quick mix and keep this aside. In another bowl, I'm mixing my oil and the brown sugar. And I'm going to give this a whisk until it's well incorporated. To this, I'm adding my yogurt. I'm going to mix this properly. Next, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. And then I'm going to mix in my flour. We need to fold it in. I add in the flour little by little to ensure that it's all mixed in properly. Once the flour is mixed in properly, I'm going to add in all the dry fruit that we had cooked. Last, I'm going to fold in my nuts. My cake batter is ready. I'm going to transfer this into a greased and lined tin. This is an 8-inch cake tin that I'm using. This goes into a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes.